Dear students, in the last two episodes, we discussed about the trigonometry, that is the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry, that is the 8th chapter. There are several formulae for that chapter, and we know that sine 0, 0, therefore cosec 0, not defined. That means 1 by 0, not defined. Sine 30, 1 by 2, therefore cosec 32. Sine 45, 1 by root 2, therefore cosec 45 is equal to root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, therefore cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. Sine 90 is equal to 1, therefore cosec 90 is also 1. Then cos 0, 1, therefore sec 0, 1. Cos 30 root 3 by 2, therefore sec 30 2 by 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2, therefore sec 45 root 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, therefore sec 60 is equal to 2. Cos 90 is 0, therefore sec 90 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. Tan 0, 0, therefore cot 0 not defined. That is 0 replaced by not defined, not defined replaced by 0. Therefore not defined. Then tan 30 1 by root 3, therefore cot 30 root 3. Tan 45 1, therefore cot 45 1. Tan 60 root 3, therefore cot 60 1 by root 3. Tan 90 not defined, therefore cot 90 0, because 1 by 0 not defined. Therefore reciprocal of that one 0 by 1 is equal to 0. That is the answer. Okay, all the formulae and all the results of this chapter are important for problem and also for higher studies. Then let us consider the exercise, that is exercise 8.1. We know that in a right angled triangle, right angle at B, base and altitude are given, we can find out the hypotenuse. Similarly, any two sides are given, we can find out the hypotenuse. The first question is question number 1. In right angled triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter, find sin A, cos A, tan A, sin B, sin C, cos C and tan C. This is the first question of exercise 8.1. Therefore, for the answer, we can draw the right angle triangle, right angle at B. That is AB, C. This is the right angle. This angle is A, this angle is C. You get right. Then, what is AB? 24 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. That means the base and altitude of this triangle ABC are given. We can find out the third side using Pythagoras theorem or Pythagorean relation. That is AC square. That is the answer. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So that is 24 square plus 7 square. There 24 square is 576 plus. So 7 square is 49. That is 625. Therefore, AC is equal to, that is 25. That is root of 625. That is 25. Therefore, we write it as 25. Then, for C, AB is opposite side, BC is hypotenuse. For A, BC is opposite side and AB is adjacent side. That means for C, AB is opposite side, BC is adjacent side. For A, BC is opposite side and AB is adjacent side. From that figure, we can find out all the values. That is sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse 7 by 25. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 24 by 25. Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side 7 by 24. Then similarly for C, opposite side is 24. Therefore, sin C is equal to, that is cos A, 24 by 25. Cos C, that is sin A, is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, 7 by 25. Tan C is equal to 24 by 7, that is cot A, 24 by 7. That is tan C, opposite by adjacent side. That is tan C is equal to cot A. Tan A is equal to 7 by 24, therefore cot A is equal to 24 by 7. Clear? That means using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the third side of that triangle. Then using that basic concept of trigonometric functions, we can find out all the results. Then second question, in figure find tan P minus cot R. The figure is always given. Figure is always given. PQR. Q is right angle. 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter. We can find out only tan and cot. Therefore, opposite side of R, this angle is R, this angle is P. Therefore, hypotenuse and altitude are given, we can find out the base. Therefore, what is the answer? QR square is equal to, that is base square is equal to what? Hypotenuse square minus altitude square. PR square minus P2 square is equal to PR, that is 13 square minus 12 square is equal to 169 minus 144 is equal to 25. Therefore, QR is equal to root 25, that is 5. Therefore, it is 5. Then tan P opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side 12. Cot R is equal to cot R. Therefore, it is adjacent side by opposite side. Then tan P minus cot R. That is tan P is equal to cot R. Is equal to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. What is it? Any number minus that number is 0. That is the second question. Therefore, we know that tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Therefore, they are equal. Therefore, the subtraction is 0. Then, third question. Sin A is equal to 3 by 4. Calculate all other functions. That means sine A means opposite side by hypotenuse. Therefore, write this problem. A, B, C, right angle at B. Sine A, that is opposite side 3 by hypotenuse 4. Therefore, we can find out adjacent side. That is only the angle A. Therefore, answer is what? We can find out the AB, that is adjacent side. Therefore, AB square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square is equal to 4 square minus 3 square is equal to 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Therefore, AB is equal to root 7. Therefore, we get all the sides. Then we can find out all of the functions. That is sin A is given. Therefore, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A, cot A. These are the values. Therefore, cos A is equal to what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is root 7 by 4. Tan A is equal to what? Opposite side by adjacent side 3 by root 7. Then cosec A, it is the reciprocal of sin A, 4 by 3. Sec A, it is a reciprocal of cos A, that is 4 by root 7. And cot A, reciprocal of tan A, that is root 7 by 3. These are all other trigonometric functions. Clear? The next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4. 1548 is equal to 8. Find all other functions. That means cot A is given. The same problem, that is A, therefore angle A, angle B, C. Then answer is what? 15 cot A is at 8. Therefore, what is cot A? 8 by 15. What is cot A? Adjacent side by opposite side. Therefore, it is adjacent side. This is opposite side. Therefore, we can find out the hypotenuse. Then, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, that is Pythagoras relation, is equal to A square plus 15 square is equal to 64 plus 225. is equal to 5 plus 4 9. Yes. 289. What is it? 17 square. Therefore, AC is equal to root 289 is equal to 70. Therefore, this is 70 centimeter or 70. Then, cot is given. We can find out sin A, cos A, tan A, sec A, cos A. Therefore, sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is 15 by 17. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is equal to 8 by 17. And tan A, that is a reciprocal of cot A, 15 by 8. Then cosec A is equal to 17 by 15 reciprocal. Sec A is equal to 17 by 8. Cot A is always given. We can find out all other trigonometry, that is all five trigonometry functions. Clear? That means using the figure, first of all we draw the figure on the basis of given data. Then we can find out the third side of that right angle triangle using the data. Then sin opposite by hypotenuse, cos adjacent by hypotenuse, tan opposite by adjacent. Reciprocal to these are cosec, sec and cot. Then question number 5. Sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Find the other functions. Then same figure or similar figure, here we see. Right angle B, let us assume that this angle C is theta. Therefore, sec theta is equal to what? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Therefore, hypotenuse is 13, adjacent side is 12. We can find out opposite side. Therefore, answer is AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square is equal to 13 square minus 12 square is equal to 169 minus 144 is equal to 25. Therefore, AB is equal to root 25. What is it? 5. Therefore, the opposite side is 5. Then, using all three results, we can find out the ratios. That means sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, 5 by 30. Okay. Cos A, that is the reciprocal of given value, 12 by 30. Tan A, that is tan theta. Sorry, not A, it is theta. It is theta, not A. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, 5 by 12. Then cosec theta, reciprocal of this, 13 by 5. Sec theta is given. Then cot theta, reciprocal of this one, 12 by 5. These are the values. Then question number 6. Cos A is equal to cos B. That's good. Prove that angle A is equal to angle B. Yes, sir. A, B, C. This is the angle right angle. These two values are equal. That is cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse AB. Cos B is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse BC by AB. Then, given that cos A is equal to cos B, what is cos A? AC by AB. That is AC by AB is equal to BC by AB. That is same denominator. Therefore, numerators are equal. Which implies that AC is equal to BC. That is what? That is two sides of a triangle are equal. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C. Sorry, angle A. Base angles of isosceles triangle. ASO, SOCE, LES. Isosceles triangle. That is what it is. Therefore, we can prove that angle A is equal to angle B. That is, using the problem or figure, ABC is a right triangle at C. Then, sin cos A is equal to AB, AC by AB. Cos B is equal to BC by AB. Cos A and cos B are given, they are equal. Therefore, AC by AB is equal to BC by AB. Side denominators, therefore numerators are equal. Therefore, AC is equal to BC. So, two sides of a triangle are equal. That is isosceles triangle, therefore base angles are equal. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B, that is base angles. Then question number 7. Cot A is equal to, or cot theta, yes. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Prove that 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta Let us prove or evaluate. Evaluate on 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, comma, cot square theta. Then what is cot theta? 7 by 8, it is given. This side. First question answer. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. We cannot find out the sin theta because cot theta is given Therefore, that is adjacent side 7 and opposite side 8. We can find out the hypotenuse, then we can find the sin theta, cos theta, then the equation is satisfied. We will the answer. But the direct simple answer is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. We can find out the value. Cot theta is given. Therefore, we can convert this into cot theta. We get the answer. What is a plus b into a minus b? It is a square minus b square. That is a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. Similarly, denominator same. That is equal to a square minus b square by denominator a square minus b square. That is 1 minus sin square theta is the numerator and 1 minus cos square theta is the denominator. Is equal to what is 1 minus sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1. We know the results. Therefore, 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. What is cos by sin? Cot. See that what is cot theta? 7 by 8. The whole square is equal to 49 by 64. That is the first answer also, second answer. That is 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Cos square theta by sin square theta is equal to cot square theta. Cot theta 7 by 8. Therefore, cot square theta 49 by 64. That is the second. This is the simple method to find out the value. Then next question number 8. Cot theta is equal to, that is 3 cot A is equal to 4. Check whether check 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square. Yes, listen. Answer is what? 3 cot A is equal to 4. Therefore, cot A is what? 4 by 3. Therefore, tan A is equal to what? 3 by 4. Then, let us consider the figure. A right angle at B, C. This is angle A. Tan A is 4 by 3. That is 4 is the opposite side. Sorry, tan is 3 by 4. Opposite side is 3 and adjacent side is 4. Then we can find out the hypotenuse. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square is equal to 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. Therefore, AC is equal to 5. Then LHS of that, LHS means left hand side, is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to 1 minus, what is tan A? 3 by 4. Therefore, square is 9 by 16 by 1 plus 9 by 16. We take LCM of that denominator, that is 16 into 1, 16 minus 9 by 16 by 16 plus 9 by 16. The 16 cancels. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 by 16 plus 9, 25. That is LHS. Then what is RHS? Cos square A minus sin square A is equal to. What is cos A? 4 by 5. Square is 16 by 25 minus sin square A 3 square, that is 9 by 25. That is equal to 16 minus 9 by 25 is equal to 7 by 25. Therefore, LHS is equal to R. That means the result is always true. That is LHS and RHS are equal, therefore the result is true. Otherwise the result is not. Okay. That is from the result quote we get the tan A. Therefore 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square is right as 7 by 23. Then from that 7, 3 and 4 we can find out the hypotenuse, that is 5. That is Pythagorean triplex. Then sin A and cos A. Cos A is equal to 4 by 5, square is 16 by 5, 25. And cos A is equal to 3 by 5, square is 9 by 25. 16 minus 9 is 7. That is 7 by 25. They are equal. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Then question number 9. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Find. Question number 1. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Second question, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. The answer of first question is 1 and the answer of second question is 0. Then we can write the result. A right angle at B, C. Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is 1 root 3. This is, we know that 1 root 3 added to the sides of that triangle when one angle is 30 and other angle is 60, we know. Then we can find out what? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square is equal to root 3 square plus 1 square. What is root 3 square? 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore, AC is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. Okay. Then this angle is C. Then first question. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is equal to, what is sin A? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos C is also adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos A, that is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is root 3 by 2 into sin C, opposite side by hypotenuse. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 4. That is equal to 1 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is 1 because that is the result in the higher class. That is in first plus 1 class. Sin C A cos C plus cos A sin C sin A plus C. A plus C is 90. Sin 90 is 1. That is here. That is in the higher class. Then second, question number 2. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C is equal to cos A. What is cos A? Root 3 by 2 into cos C 1 by 2 minus sin A 1 by 2 into sin C root 3 by 2. That is root 3 into 1 root 3. 2 into 2 4 minus root 3 by 4 is equal to any number minus that number is 0. That is cos A plus B 4. A plus C. Cos A plus C is equal to cos A plus C is 90 degree, cos 90 0. Therefore, this is the answer. Then next question, question number 10. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q. Right angle at Q. PR plus QR is equal to 25. Centimeter and the PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. So it is that the question is not correct, it is wrong. Therefore, this question be in the next episode. That is, this result is sometimes mistaken. Therefore, PR plus QR, that means PQR, PR plus QR. That is 2.5 or 25. There is some mistake. It is sometimes 2.5 or 25. Therefore, we can correct the question, then get the answer. Okay. Then the exercise 8.2 of this chapter be in the next episode. Okay.